Good morning, first graders. Happy Thursday. Today we're going to read the morning message. We'll go over our days of the week. We'll go over some weather and our money, count some money. And then I'm going to teach you some new sounds that we haven't learned this year. So keep watching. All right, good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. You get to practice your phonics sounds and learn something new. I have something surprise for you. Have a terrific Thursday. Love, Mrs. Rochat. Okay. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. It is still spring out, and if you've checked the weather, hopefully you know it's still pretty cold outside and partly cloudy. All right, let's sing money song. A penny is one, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter's 25. If we had 4 quarters, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny, how much money would that be? I'm going to give you a minute to pause. Okay, let's count together to see what we got. 25, 50, 75, 100 makes $1. $1 plus 10, 20, 30, 35, 36 is $1.36. Now remember, when we're writing a dollar, we include that period right here and make our money sign, which is an S with 2 lines through it. So we have $1.36 today. Okay, boys and girls, now I'm going to teach you some new sounds. Practice and pay attention. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to learn some new sounds that we haven't learned this year. I'm going to show you the letter sound. I'm going to say it, and then I want you to say it, okay? After you say it, we'll talk a little bit more about that sound and how it shows up in words. So, the first letter sound that you are going to learn is ah. A-U. When they're walking and talking, they say ah, like in the word faucet. Everybody say ah, ah, faucet. Your turn. Great job. Our next sound is A-L. A-L says all, kind of like in the middle of words, like this word, talk. Say all, talk. Your turn. Good job. Another sound that we have, it's kind of like all, but this one has a W in the middle of it. It says all, like the word crawl. Okay, so everybody say all, crawl. Your turn. Great job. The next sound is like the A-W-L, but this time we're taking away the L. And this sound says aw. Everybody say aw. Good job. And the word is saw. Like this. Aw, saw. Your turn. Aw, saw. Okay. Our next letter sound, it starts with a K. But there's something special about this sound, is this K is silent. So the K doesn't make any sound. Can you figure out what the sound would be? Very good. So say no. I know that the K is silent. So your turn. No. Very good. Okay. The next letter sound starts with a G. But the G is special. It doesn't make a sound. Okay. So for example, the G says right? In this sound, it doesn't make the G sound like we've learned before. So say sign. Your turn. Sign. Very good. You've probably seen stop signs around the city. Our last letter sound is W-R. I bet you've seen these a lot this year because we do something that starts with the W-R every day. What do you think it is? Right. Your turn. Very good. So those are our sounds, boys and girls. There'll be an activity on Seesaw where you can practice those. Keep working really hard, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful...
Hello everyone, my name is Greg Rochat. I am Mrs. Rochat's husband, and what I'm doing today is plowing the snow off the roads so we can get people to go if they need to go anywhere so they can drive safe on the roads. Here in a minute I'll kind of show you what we do and what my truck setup is like, so if you give me a moment I'll give you a show of it. So it shows you my front plow, what I'm doing on the road. And don't worry, I am driving with this in a holster. So it's kind of hard to see in the mirror here, but I actually got 3 plows on this truck. And I'll show you all the plows when I get to a point in a different part of the video here to show you what exactly those plows are. So good news, I actually plow around your school. Evelyn, go Knights, right? Good morning, everybody. So after I kind of explain how we do it in the truck, I'll kind of show you all the buttons and stuff inside of a truck, but I wanted to show you the outside, what the outside of the plow truck consists of. And as you can see, you got the truck here that I drive, and kind of show you what we got. So everybody, this is continue of the plow truck here, and what it consists of is 3 plows that we have on here. The main one is the front plow. It is a 12-foot span, so that clears a lot of the big drifts that we have and heavier snow we like to use in front. The second plow that we use is a bottom one. It's called a belly plow. It's right in the middle of the truck. What that does, lays down and scrapes the road and ice that we try to get off the roads. And then what happens when we plow it, then we use what is called a wing, which consists of our third plow. What that does is comes down to the side, and so all that snow that pulls to the scrape goes along that side, and we use that to scrape the curbs as well. So those are the 3 main plows that we use on the plow truck. Look from this angle here, so it's quite a bit. So while we're plowing, we also throw down salt or sand to help reduce sliding on the roads. A lot of times we throw it down in intersections, so when you're trying to stop it, be able to do that. Here in this case, we are actually using pure salt this time. So that's what that actually looks like. And what this is right here is called a spinner. So when it comes out from the back of the bed, which I can kind of give you some idea how that looks like, but all on the side there's an auger down on the bottom there, as you can kind of see it right there, and it sprinkles down by get it turning, and then this thing, the spinner, spins around and it shoots the salt all around the intersection where you need it. So that's how that works. The opposite side of the plows on the driver's side. So now I kind of show you inside here. Normal setup, just like a normal truck, with a steering wheel, lights and dashes. And then here we are with our controls to remove all those plows. So you got the one for the main lift of the bed to get salt. If you have got some, you have to dump it out. You can do that. This one here is the front plow. You can move that up and down to side to side. Here is the wing. So this one, you can actually control it up and down, side, to get it to do its job that you need. And now our final one is the scraper, right here. That's that belly plow that I was showing you on the middle of the truck there, the bottom one. That just lifts up and down. And there, this is what we control our salt and sand by pushing that. So pretty much a lot of buttons that we have to hit and use when we're driving these. They are very hard to drive every once in a while, especially the heavier snow, but the more you get used to it, to driving it, the better you get. So, well, everybody, I just want to say thanks for watching the video, and I hope you learned something about how the city plows the streets. And I hope you guys do well in the rest of your school year from home. Thanks for watching.